Hey, a few weeks ago, I was in Arizona with my sister, the Fit Mom, and when I was there, she let me try the RipStick for the very first time. So I'm about to throw to that right now. You can check out my honest review on the RipStick. Now, if you want to check out the RipStick for yourself, I got a link in the description so you can check it out. And if you actually ever use the RipStick or you decide to get the RipStick and use it, comment below. Let your boy know what you think.
Alright.
Alright, so now what level band is this?
This is the strongest band. It's
Strongest
the,
band? Alright.
The thickest, I'll put it that way. It's the thickest band. The thickest band.
Alright. So what I do?
Just hold it out. Take it out in front of you, push it out is there you go, and keep it there. And bring it in. There you go. Bring it in. You chest pressing. Push it out. You're supposed to do 8 to 10 and then rest. There you go. You feel that work though? Let's see, you guys might not can see, but his arms are quivering.
So you gotta try to keep this separated.
You gotta try to keep it separated. His chest is working.
I'll do 3 more.
There you go.
1 more.
Nice. Now you're supposed to relax or rest. Or like
Rest I feel it all up in this.
10, 20, whatever. And then go right back into it. And I can't remember if you're supposed to do it, 6 to 8 reps like that.
Hey, if you like the idea of health and wealth, you need to take the Live Good tour. Find out how me and thousands of others are making a monthly income with Live Good. Click the link in the description to take the 5-minute Live Good tour right after watching this video.
Anyway,
I kind of like it. I think if I was using lighter bands to get started with, I think it's not bad.
I mean, I go into a phase where I'm like, oh, I'm gonna try this,
Yeah.
But this is one thing, I usually try to stick with like exercises that I like, but if I don't, and I'm like, there's other stuff I can do instead of trying to figure out, you know what I mean?
How much this shit cost?
I think it was like 40. No, I'm lying. I don't know.
Like
Because we got two sets, so we did something, I think it might have been 100. So
Damn, 100? I was gonna say, I don't know if I would buy it, but I think I would use it if I had it. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Let me try real quick what you said with that.
Yeah.
With that curl.
the bicep curl.
So here, this is different. I will say different, whole different thing. So out and then squeeze up and then down.
And the one thing I can say about this is that as you can see, is totally portable. You can have these anywhere. You can have them in your purse. You got your little purse you carry, little fanny pack or whatever.
It's a man purse. You heard?
But I mean, it's cool. And like the little bands or whatever, you just throw them in a little plastic bag. That's what we did. But I mean, taking it out, you know what I mean? I'm like, I might try to get back into it, but I'm not gonna like stress over it because there's so many other things I can do.
Honestly, my opinion, it ain't bad. Honestly, it's a little better than I thought it would be. So I mean, I kind of rock with it. You know what I'm saying? But I know, this is yours, so I gotta get this shit back. There you go. Give it back to me.
All right, guys. So there we have it. That was his take on the RipStick. If you
I already know what my take really was.
He don't know. He just tried it. But if anyone's interested in checking it out for themselves, we'll put a link in the description.